All right, guys, we're out here warming up on the driving range. We're going to talk about some simple warm-up tips you should use before you really start hitting the ball. So the one you see all the time is Jay, get into like your golf stance for me. Yep. So he's lined up typically how he's going to hit the ball. And then I want you to take that club, cross it in between your arms here. So what we want to see is keeping that same posture you were in, and you're going to add that rotational piece, right? So as you can see here, Jay's getting a nice stretch through this hip. He's opening up this back, and he's gonna go back and forth in that position. Now this is something you've seen all the time, you know this stretch. This is a good one to do. Just because it's common doesn't mean we don't like it. Number two that we're gonna do is Jay's gonna take that club, put it back down into the ground, flip it over just so he's not putting pressure on the head of that club. He's gonna hold on to it here, and Jay, you're gonna take that lead leg, pivot over that lead leg. Get that hip used to putting weight through it. We want that to be a normal sensation to rotate through that stance leg. And you're gonna do the same thing on that backswing leg, because you gotta rotate back when you're swinging that way. So work rotation of those hips, work rotation of that thoracic spine, and get that body loose so you can hit that ball far.